How to earn money with Airbnb affiliate program. Hi guys and welcome in this video where I'll show you how to make money with Airbnb affiliate program and also become an Airbnb affiliate partner. Join the Airbnb affiliate program could be the perfect opportunity for you. As an affiliate, you can earn commissions by promoting Airbnb accommodation to your audience. Whether you run a travel blog, manage social media channel, or have a website related to hospitality, becoming an Airbnb affiliate allows you to monetize your traffic and recommendation. So before getting started, let us know what Airbnb is. Airbnb is a globally recognized online marketplace and hospitality service platform that enables individuals to list, discover, and book accommodation around the world. So to more understand, first step you need to do is open your web browser and dive into Airbnb.com. As you can see, this is the website. If you want to become as an affiliate partner, all you have to do is to go to Airbnb Associates Program. So this is the home page of the website. So here we have Airbnb Associates Guidelines. All associates should keep these guidelines in mind. So let's read together to more understand. So first we have here be transparent about your relationships with Airbnb. Secondly, we have associates are not Airbnb employees and do not work under the direction of Airbnb employees. Never represent yourself as an agent or employee of Airbnb. And we have by posting content on Airbnb, you agree to abide by our content policy. Moreover, we have don't remove Airbnb's branding from the program tools, don't use any other Airbnb trademarks or copyrighted materials. Furthermore, we have don't hide links, widgets, or pages. Only share program content directly to your followers on your personal sites or social media. And we have don't run paid advertisement in print or digital format. Don't bid on Airbnb keywords or arbitrage Airbnb's global audience. Finally, we have don't book through your own links. You won't receive a payout for your own listens. We have also here tools available to Airbnb associates, and we have payments and payouts and a lot of information that can help you guys. Let's come back to the top. Here we have important notes that we should know it. The Airbnb Associates program allows anyone with an audience to make money by promoting travel or hosting the Airbnb. So what that means is that Airbnb itself is gonna give you a commission if someone click on your link, send, book, stay, and whatever. So to earn commission, all you have to do is come back to the website and choose the one you want to promote. So let's choose for example this one. As you can see, there's a lot of information here. And here we have examples for each strategies of earning money through the Airbnb affiliate program. First, we have promote Airbnb's lessons. Create a blog post titled Top 10 Cozy Airbnb Cabins for Winter Getaways, where you feature and link to various cozy cabins available on Airbnb, highlighting their unique features like hot tubs, fireplaces, or proximity to ski resorts. Secondly, we have great travel guides and reviews. Write a detailed travel guide on exploring Barcelona on a budget and include sections recommending budget-friendly Airbnb accommodation in different neighborhoods with affiliate links to those listens. We have also target niche audience. Create an Instagram account focusing on luxury travel, post high quality photos of luxury Airbnb villas around the world. Using your affiliate links in the captions and be to direct followers to book their dream stays. And use sales strategies. Write a blog post titled Family Friendly Airbnb Rentals near Disney World, optimized with keywords like family-friendly Airbnb Disney World, featuring detailed descriptions and affiliate links to kid-friendly properties near the theme park. Furthermore, we have utilize social media. Create a Pinterest board titled Dream Vacation Rentals where you pin visually appealing images of various Airbnb properties worldwide. Use affiliate links in the pin descriptions to drive traffic and booking. We have also email marketing. Send out a newsletter to your subscribers with the subject line exclusive summer getaways deal save 200% on Airbnb stays. Include curated lists of Airbnb properties and popular summer destinations with affiliate links for readers to book directly. Moreover, we have offer special deals. Partner with Airbnb to offer a limited time discount code exclusively for your audience. Promote this offer on your blog, social media, and emails, newsletters, encouraging users to use your affiliate link to redeem the discount. We have also create comparison content. Write a blog post titled Airbnb's this hotels where to stay for your next city break. Compare the benefits of staying in an Airbnb, more space, kitchen facilities versus a hotel, and include affiliate links to both Airbnb's listings and hotel booking sites. We have also partnered with travel bloggers or influencers. Collaborate with a travel influencer who specializes in adventure travel. Have them create Instagram stories showcasing their stay in a unique Airbnb treehouse with swipe up links to book the same property using your affiliate link. Finally, we have stay updated on Airbnb's program. Keep an eye on Airbnb's affiliate program updates. For example, if Airbnb introduces a new program offering increased commission rates for booking in certain regions or during specific seasons, adjust your promotional strategies to capitalize on these opportunities. This example will illustrate how you can effectively utilize or use different strategies to earn money through the Airbnb affiliate program by promoting lessons, creating valuable content, and engaging with your target audience. So this is for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you in the next video.